Hey guys, welcome to another amazing drawing. So we're going to jump right into it and let's do this as quick and easy as possible. I'm going to start right here on this side and I'm going to make like a little oval. From the oval, you come down on the side and down on this side. And we just want to curve this way and connect like that. I'm going to come from here and I'm just going to do like a scallop like so. And then we're going to do a jar shape. I'm going to come down a little and curve this way. All right, and now this side you come out. I'm going to go like this and you go up. So you have that shape on the sides there. Now I'm going to color and add some detail. So the top goes in gray. All right. And this jar is going to be jam or jelly. And I'm going to go grape. So I want to do right here purple checkered liner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go across like so. Let's do some big, beautiful eyes. So we've got 1 and 2, an eyeball here and an eyeball here. All right, and I'm gonna color. So like I said, it's jam and I'm doing grape. So let's go in, everything here goes purple. Grape jam today. All right, so we've got that jam all colored in or jelly, but it's grape. You can choose whatever flavor you want. And I'm gonna do a smile, so simple smile. Now I'm gonna do toast, so jam and toast. Okay, so I'm gonna come from right here and you wanna just go up. Okay, now the toast is behind the jam. So we wanna imagine that he's like here and he's gonna come across here like this. I'm gonna make this line a little more bold. And then he's gonna curve and come up to about the same thing right about here. And then we're going to curve out, find the middle, then curve out and connect like so. I like my toast a little on the brown side. So I'm going to use this color here for the outside. Okay, outside, like I said. Like that. And then on the inside, I'm going to go with a lighter shade, maybe this one. Yeah, I think that's going to be the perfect color. But before we color that in, let's do the eyes, just like we did this one. I want them to be looking at each other. All right, now back with the coloring. And we're going to do the mouth the same way, but we'll do it afterward. All right, I'm going to go now with the black, and I'm going to give it a nice little mouth. I call this the J smile because I only put that top piece on one side. I want to give it some eyebrows, and over here also some eyebrows. And if we want to make either one of them a girl, we just add some eyelashes. Okay, now before we finish, I'm going to go in, I'm going to use purple again, just because we've been using purple. And I just want to put a little heart right here. Just like so. All right, and there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We have some toast and jam, my favorite. See you in the next one. Bye bye.